Feeling stuck in the tech stone age? Is your phone older than some of your clothes? Today we're diving into the fantastic world of Amazon's choice picks for the 12 most advanced tech gadgets of 2024. So, are you ready to see what the future holds in the palm of your hand? Let's jump in. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Home Hub 3.0. Forget bulky chargers. The Samsung Galaxy Home Hub 3.0, an Amazon's choice gadget for 2024, tackles all your charging needs with its 4-port design. It automatically detects your devices, be they phones, cameras, or earphones, and delivers the right amount of juice, with a total output reaching 36 W. The show's star is the Quick Charge 3.0 port, providing up to 4x faster charging than standard USB. Safety is a priority with built-in protection against overheating, short circuits, and overcurrents. Its compact size makes it a perfect travel companion, ensuring your devices stay powered wherever you go. Number 2. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum is a high-tech marvel that automates floor cleaning. With a self-emptying dustbin, self-washing and drying mop, and auto-refill for the water tank, this robot practically cleans itself, keeping your home dust and dirt free for weeks. It boasts powerful suction, a double brush system for enhanced cleaning, and a vibrating mop that tackles even tough messes. The S8 Pro Ultra also intelligently avoids obstacles and creates detailed maps for efficient navigation. You can control it via the app or voice commands, making it a genuinely hands-off cleaning experience. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro 2. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 is an advanced tech gadget in 2024. Thanks to the new H2 chip, they boast a richer audio experience with enhanced noise cancellation and immersive sound. Active noise cancellation is improved by up to 2x, and transparency mode allows you to hear your surroundings. 4 included sizes of silicone tips achieve a comfortable, customizable fit, and the AirPods Pro is even resistant to dust, sweat, and water. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking creates a one-of-a-kind listening experience, and you can control playback, volume, and calls with a touch or hold of the stem. With up to 6 hours of listening time and 30 hours from the charging case, the AirPods Pro 2 will keep you powered up for extended use. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a powerful camera that captures stunning 4K HDR video with vibrant detail. It boasts unshakable stabilization thanks to Horizon Steady, and its durable build with a long-lasting battery ensures it can keep up with your adventures, even in freezing temperatures. The innovative quick-release design allows for easy vertical mounting, and it's waterproof down to 16 meters without a housing. Dual touchscreens, even usable with wet hands, make it a breeze to control and playback your footage. The standard combo has everything you need to capture dynamic and diverse content. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is an advanced tech gadget in 2024. It boasts various features to help you stay on top of your health and fitness goals, track workouts, receive personalized heart rate coaching, and gain insights into your sleep patterns with advanced sleep coaching. The watch can even monitor for irregular heart rhythms and analyze body composition. It keeps you connected on the go by syncing with your other Galaxy devices and boasts a large, durable display for easy navigation. You can customize the Galaxy Watch 6 with various bands and watch faces to match your style. Number 6. Breville Smart Toaster. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Breville Smart Toaster, a 2024 tech marvel for perfectly toasted treats. This 4-slice toaster boasts extra long slots for artisanal breads, bagels, and pastries. Its innovative features include one-touch automatic lowering and lifting for gentle bread handling, lift and look to check mid-cycle progress without interrupting, and a bit more to add extra browning time. With bagel and defrost functions, variable browning control, and an LED progress indicator, you'll always achieve toast perfection. The automatic lowering and lifting with lift and look ensures easy monitoring and a mess-free cleanup with the removable crumb tray. Number 7. Anova Precision Cooker Wi-Fi Sous Vide. The Anova Precision Cooker Wi-Fi Sous Vide is a high-tech gadget for 2024 that lets you achieve restaurant-quality results at home. This sous vide cooker heats water to a precise temperature and circulates it for even cooking, ensuring perfectly moist and tender vegetables, meat, fish, and cheese. Controlled remotely through your smartphone via Wi-Fi and a free app, you can monitor cooking progress, adjust settings, and receive notifications when your food is done, all without hovering over the pot. With its easy setup, 1,000+ free recipes, and dishwasher-safe parts, the Anova Precision Cooker Wi-Fi Sous Vide is a perfect tool for novice and experienced cooks who want to elevate their culinary game. Number 8. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a foldable phone that unfolds into a tablet-sized device, perfect for multitasking. Its large, foldable AMOLED display can be propped up for hands-free video calls, and even folds into a compact size for smartwatch-like music control with flex mode. You can run multiple apps simultaneously on the unfolded screen, and use the included S Pen for note-taking, drawing, and precise navigation. Plus, the 4,400 mAh battery promises up to 12 hours of screen time on a single charge, keeping you productive throughout the day. Number 9. Insta360 One X3 The Insta360 One X3 is a cutting-edge action camera for 2024 that captures immersive 5.7K 360-degree footage. Its two large sensors deliver excellent image quality even in low light, and you can choose the perfect angle later using the AI-powered app. It also offers a traditional single-lens mode for wide-angle shooting and boasts flow-state stabilization for silky smooth videos. Plus, a special invisible selfie stick lets you capture incredible third-person views without the stick appearing in the final shot. Number 10. DJI Avata Drone The DJI Avata Drone is a powerful and user-friendly option for capturing stunning aerial footage in 2024. This palm-sized marvel boasts a 155-degree field of view, ultra-smooth 4K video stabilization, and a lengthy 18-minute flight time, all packed into a lightweight and agile design. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a complete beginner, the intuitive motion controller and goggle compatibility, sold separately, make flying fun and accessible, while the impressive range and built-in propeller guard ensure a safe and thrilling experience. Number 11. Print Pocket Instant Photo Printer The Print Pocket shrinks the original print case into a super portable instant photo printer that's half the size. It pairs seamlessly with your iPhone, letting you print cherished memories on the go. Whether it's a favorite Instagram post or a new snap, the Print Pocket delivers high-quality photos in 30 seconds. Plus, you can add a hidden video surprise to your prints. Just watch them come alive with the dedicated app, making your photos interactive and unforgettable. Number 12. Oculus Quest 3 The Oculus Quest 3 is a powerful mixed reality headset combining the real world and virtual elements. Boasting more than double the graphics processing power of its predecessor, the Quest 3 offers stunning 4K plus visuals and immersive 3D audio. Touch Plus controllers provide realistic sensations and intuitive interactions, while Direct Touch allows you to navigate virtual worlds with your hands. With a library of over 500 apps and up to 2.2 hours of battery life, the Oculus Quest 3 is your gateway to a world of gaming, fitness, entertainment, and social experiences. That's it for our look at 12 of the most advanced gadgets you can snag on Amazon right now. If you enjoyed seeing the future of tech, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech finds. We'll see you on the next one.